Today I organized my dresses. So I organized them into 7 categories: ice skating, uniforms, jumper, pants, shirts, dresses, and sleeping wear. So I next labeled, put them in this organizer. Then I folded them and pasted them in. Over here in the sleeping wear, I folded them differently because when you get them, they already have a partner. So here's how I folded them. You place them over here like this. Place this over here. Then fold this to the size. And then you place this around and place it inside one pocket.